is, I will bring my action right for you, Knuckles! You soon learn to worship me like a deity! Come on now! Shadow, you got! You know it's going to take 4 days to get rid of me!